Okay, today we're going to have a look at this Roberts Dreamtime DAB clock radio. It all works except the display is very dim, so we need to have a look at that. It does need a good clean as well, but we will attend to that later. So let's power it up. I don't know if you can see that. I shielded a bit. Yeah, it is there, but yeah, it's very dim. So I think we'll get into it and see what we get. Okay, now just make sure we're unplugged. And there we go. The speakers come out. Oh. We'll just take the speaker out for now. Now, I'm looking at this. Let's zoom in a bit. So I'm just looking at this capacitor here. Looks okay. These look okay. Now, so I'm going to put this bit aside because I believe that bit should be good. So how does this come out here? I think we might have to take this out, but interestingly I've just noticed that that is a different type of screw from that. So I didn't think anyone had been here, but maybe they have. Okay. This should come out now. And that's it. 3 parts. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Has something happened there? I wonder. Let's clean it up. Now, there's nothing on it other than this little IC here. I don't know what it is. That could be a voltage regulator. So what we might also do is just clean up this as well. So let's see, we've got the blob chip that controls the screen. Now, given that the screen is actually working, I don't think it's an issue with the blob chip. That'll probably come back to bite me, but yeah, I don't think it is. Let's see, so we've got a diode, a couple of capacitors, a resistor. See if any of these are shorted. No. I wonder if this regulator is possibly not functioning. It's got like a low voltage or something, and then it's not giving enough voltage to the screen. The screen's probably 3.3 volts. Right, I'll hook this back up to the main unit. It's unplugged. So let's have a look at this 5 volts there. This is the input, 11 volts. And that's 5 volts as well. Okay, there goes that theory. Let's see if there's any voltage on here. $5 so that seems to be working. Let's try this one over here. Nothing. $3.3. Okay, I wonder if this is for this display then. Now there is a dimmer button on it, which is this one here. I know it's upside down. If I can get it out of the... So that doesn't seem to do anything. I wonder if it's just the button. So let's do over here. So there'll be a common ground, which is this one. Okay, so if I just move this over a bit. So I'm not using a dimmer, the dimmer one's there, but just for the demonstration. So I'm pressing the button. That seems to work. So if we do the same for the dimmer one. So okay, so right, the dimmer's working then. So the voltage regulator seems to work. None of the capacitors are shorted. I wonder if we can check the voltage across here and see what voltage is going. $2.9. Interesting, I just noticed this is actually an LED. So that must be for the backlight. So I wonder if just the LED's gone then. We'll unplug it. I wonder if we just change that anyway. Let's do that. Let's change that LED because it's just there. It's getting voltage, it's getting 2.9 volts. Looking at this, it's pretty rusty. Okay, so that's ready for an LED. Now I've managed to, when I was taking the solder off here, I've managed to lose the capacitor. I mean, goodness me. I don't know where it is. It might be here somewhere, but I think it's gone. Should go this way in. So let's see. That should be it. Okay, by some miracle, I just found it. Right, let's put it back together again and let's test it. Alright, so it's all back together again. So let's plug it in and see if it works. There we go. Yes. Excellent. So just the little LED that was at fault. Sometimes it's the simple things rather than the more difficult things. Power on, and if we press function, and then there we go. So that's working, and we can see that the dimmer works as well. So excellent. Okay, we'll leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe if you wish to, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.